Hello everyone! I'm with Mr. Hap. Ayan. For today's video, I'm gonna be taking you with me as we go to Villa Rica Suites in Tagaytay City. So for today's video, we are gonna be going to Villa Rica Suites 2 and 3. Yeah, so this is kind of like an early surprise for you guys. So this past few weeks, we have been busy like building a new place in Tagaytay City for you to enjoy. Yeah, so a lot has been going on these past few days, and yes, a lot of things have been happening all around me, and yes, I can't wait to show you the Villa Rica Suites 2 and 3 that is still being built. Yes, lately we have been getting inquiries about like having like 20 packs, 30 packs in Villa Rica Suites, and we thought, hey, what if we already utilize the space that we have just right under Villa Rica Suites? So just a little backstory too. So we have been encountering a little design hiccups lately in the property, and right now we are trying to sort things out so that once you stay in our place, it's gonna be super comfortable. Okay, so let's go. Hello guys. So we are here at Villa Rica Suites already. So construction na kami dito. And bale, what's gonna happen is i-measure namin ni Kuya George yung buong place kasi magkakaroon dito ng changes. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Ayan, so we are trying to emulate the ones upstairs. So here is what it looks like. So we are basically, look, as you can see over here. So basically, what we're trying to emulate is the original design, which is in the 4th floor. And this one is actually on the 2nd floor. A few changes that we did is that binago na namin yung bed configuration kasi we figured that more and more people are traveling in big groups. Ayan, so as you can see, what we did here is just like the ones in the Villa Rica flats too. Ayan, so basically, dalawa siyang jumbo bunk bed. Ayan, then this bunk bed is actually queen size siya sa baba. Ayan, and full size dito sa taas. And then meron tayong harang dito, and then meron din tayong pinaka-ladder para mas comfortable yung pag-climb up and down. And also at the same time, para mas maraming tao yung makastay dito sa Villa Rica Suites 2nd floor. Ayan. So ito naman yung isa, ito yung isang bedroom. Yun, so that's ang pinaka-key point namin dito is we want to make it look as cozy and aesthetic as possible. And then, I'll show you what we did din pala. Basically, what we are gonna do differently, since dito sa Villa Rica Suites, 2nd and 3rd floor is dito lang yung windows natin. And then dito sa likod ay wala ng windows. Ayan. So as you can see, wala na ditong windows. Ayan. So wala na ditong windows. Ayan. So ang pinaka-problem namin dito is, okay, so how are we gonna ventilate the 2 bedrooms? Ayan. And then we have come up with a solution, which is magtatanggal kami ng isang panel nitong pinaka-window dito. And then we are adding exhaust over there. Ayan. So once na naka-on yung aircon dito, ma-ventilate na din other room. Yan. So, yun yung aming mga tricks na ginawa. And yes, so ito na siya. Yun. Ayan. And another design challenge that we are experiencing right now is, as you can see, may malaking haligi dito. So, medyo, compared sa 4th floor, medyo cramped siya ng onti lang naman. So, basically, me and my sister, Rica Rosales, ayan, we are coming up with a solution on how to work around this jumbo or giant na haligi. Ayan, so here's what it looks like. Ayan, so super jumbo yung haligi natin. And then, we are also trying to parang inaayos pa namin yung pinaka-wall para wala yung ibang tubo. Because this used to be a commercial space. Ayan, so ayan, magsusukat na kami. Ayan, so I am just drawing what it looks like on my tablet. Ayan, so paperless na po tayo. Nagda-draft na kami sa aking tablet. And malapit na kami matapos dito sa interior ng 2nd floor. Ayan. Ayan, so tapos na tayo magsukat dito sa 2nd floor ng Villa Rica Suites. Yes, so ngayon pupunta naman tayo sa taas to check on the progress and also at the same time get the measurements. Yes, let's go. Ayan. So, I'm not sure where all the construction noises are coming from. Let's go. So, kung sa baba is dito yung door. Dito naman sa 3rd floor is ito. Actually, we have a design problem dun sa 2nd floor. Kasi, yung sa 2nd floor natin is, as you saw a while ago, nasa labas yung bathroom. So, medyo mahirap siya dahil syempre, kapag tayo ay maliligo, ganyan, hindi comfortable na nasa labas yung bathroom. Kasi what if naka-towel lang tayo, di ba? So, mahirap siya. So, that is another design problem that we need to solve. Yes. So, ayan. Ipakita ko na din sa inyo yung construction work in progress namin dito sa 3rd floor. So, right now, we are already at the 3rd floor and as I saw, parang halos identical lang naman yung mga switches and all those things. So I don't think that we have to still measure this part. So ipapakita ko na sa inyo kung ano yung pinaka-itsura niya. Okay? Ayan. So as you can see, it's kinda like, it's almost the same design as the one on the 4th floor. And this one is on the 3rd floor. Ayan. So, ayan. Ito na yung ito yung itsura ng ating pinaka-bed na naka-assemble na. Ayan. So, ayun. And then, ayan. So, ito yung pinaka-table namin. Table, dining set. And then, ito yung ating famous division. This one pala, we are gonna be having a darker wall na. Kasi sa taas, medyo super warm siya and lighter siya compared to this one. Dito is super high yung ceiling natin dito sa 3rd floor. And yeah, same lang din yung mga switches. Ayun. So ito, hindi pa siya nakaayos. Dapat siya ay nandito. And then, ayun. Ito yung kanyang pinaka-bathroom. Ayan. So we are watching Hi, Tijin. Hi, Zoilo. Ayan, so kami ay uuwi na sa aming pinanggalingan. Basically, ito palang Villa Rica Suites ay located siya sa 4th floor of this building. But soon we'll be able to open the 2nd and 3rd floor over there. And yes, it's gonna be fantastic. And tingin ko okay na siya sa mga it's not gonna be exclusive for barkadas only. Ayan, sorry for the road noise because we be outdoors. Ayan, so dito pala is doon. Just a few walk from there is nandun na yung Mahogany Beef Market. And then, yes, we are just along the highway. So, hindi kami mahirap hanapin dito sa Villa Rica Suites. Ayan, so, yeah. Let's go home. And so, a little update. We are already licensed. Yes. And so, ang kasama ko pala ngayon ay si Kuya George. Taning. Ay, lalargan na! Kailan kayo sumali, Kuya George? Bali, si Kuya George din pala yung nagtuturo sa pag-drive.